Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on area of composite shapes. A composite shape is made up of two or more plane shapes. To find the total area of a composite shape, split the composite shape into the two or more plane shapes. Find the area of each of these plane shapes and add them together. Let's look at some examples. Here's a very straightforward one. It's like an L shaped and we have all these measurements. The composite shape has been split into two smaller plane shapes. So we put a dotted line here. So we've got shape A and shape B. Shape A is a rectangle, so the area of shape A is 5 centimetres by 3 centimetres. Because they're the measurements, that gives us 15 square centimetres. Shape B is also a rectangle which is 6 centimetres by 2 centimetres, so the area of shape B is 12 square centimetres. So the total area of the shape is 15 square centimetres plus 12 square centimetres gives us 27 square centimetres. Here's another one. Let's look at this one here. It's quite complicated, so we've taken this shape down here and I've done three dotted lines, or two, sorry. There's one dotted line there, one dotted line there, so we have shape A, B and C. We can see that each of these is either a rectangle or a square. So the original composite shape has been divided into three separate plane shapes. Area A, which is this one, is 10 centimetres by 3 centimetres. That's 30 square centimetres. Area B, now if you look at area B carefully, you get that length there, which is 2 centimetres plus 3 centimetres. So that's 5 centimetres, and we're given that the height is 3. So area B is 3 centimetres times 5 centimetres, which is 15 square centimetres. And area C, we're given that it's 3 centimetres by 3 centimetres, and that's 9 square centimetres. So the total area is the sum of those three, and that gives us 54 square centimetres. The shape here, there's the original shape. Now, in the original shape, we're given these little marks here. They tell us that whatever this length is, which is 3 centimetres, that's the same length and that's the same length. So when you have those types of marks, they just tell you that those lengths are equal. So we've taken the shape down here and we've split it into three parts. That's vertical, so that gives us a triangle. Shape B there is a rectangle. And here we have shape A, which is 3 by 3. Remember, that was 3 centimetres originally. Because of that mark, that makes that 3. And if that's the same mark, that also makes that 3. So here are our three separate shapes. So the original composite shape has been divided into three separate plane shapes. So area A is 3 centimetres by 3 centimetres, which is 9 square centimetres. Area B is 12 centimetres by 6 centimetres, which is 72 square centimetres. And area C, which is a triangle, is half times 5 times 6. Each of those are centimetres, which is 15 square centimetres. So the total area, you add those three separate areas and we get 96 square centimetres. So this video has introduced us to the idea of composite shapes, and when we find the area, or when we're asked to find the area of a composite shape, we try to divide that composite shape into two or more smaller shapes, find the area of each of those shapes and add them together.